This is the easiest way to create a parallax effect in After Effects and Photoshop. I'll be using 3 layers, but you can use as many or as few as you like. Start by selecting your main subject and duplicating it onto a new layer by pressing Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows. Then reselect the original layer, choose the second element you want separated. Make sure everything is included in the selection and duplicate that onto a new layer as well. Next, select the pixels of your layers. The easiest way to do this is by selecting all the visible layers by holding Command while selecting each of them. Now duplicate them by dragging the layers here. And merge them into one layer. And now change the visibility of the solo layers. Right-click the thumbnail of this merged layer and choose Select Pixels. Now go to the Select menu. Open up Modify and then click on Expand. And expand the selection by around 10 pixels. Turn off the visibility of the merged layer and select your original background layer. Use Generative Fill to remove everything inside the expanded selection. Once it's complete, merge the fill result with the background layer. You can now delete the temporary merged layer from earlier and turn the separated layers back on. Now go to File, then Save As. Make sure you save it as a Photoshop format, and then click on Save. Open After Effects and drag your Photoshop document into the Project panel. When the Import window appears, set Import Kind to Composition and Layer Options to Editable Layer Styles. Drag the new composition into your timeline and open it. Enable 3D for all layers by clicking the 3D cube icon. If you can't see it, press Toggle Switches. Now right-click in the timeline, go to New and then Camera, and click on OK. Select the background layer, press P to open position and increase the Z value, which is the third number, to around 2000. For the middle layer, set the Z value to around 1500. If you only have one object, use something closer, like 600. Then adjust the top layer's Z value to around 600. Press S on each layer and increase the scale until the frame is fully filled again. Do this for every layer. Open the camera layer, go into Transform, and click the stopwatch for both point of interest and position at the point where you want the parallax to begin. Now move the playhead to where you want it to end. You can now either manually adjust the camera values to create movement or use the camera tools. Use the Dolly Towards Cursor tool to zoom, the Pan Under Cursor tool to shift framing, or the Orbit Around Cursor tool to change direction. Once finished, select all keyframes, right-click, and then go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease for smoother motion.